dogs are legit in great mode. But hey, they're all fine. It's just the way dogs like to play. And it's the way Buddy likes to play. That is definitely at least. Oh, if you're wondering what those wooden bits over there are, they're for our new monkey bar slide and swing. Just a little bit's enough. Boing, 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 boingy, boing. Don't you want this? Instead, got squeak. I can only make this video 1 minute 58 long, guys. Because, yeah, tablet ain't got much space left. Right, the video will go off in 1:58 minutes, so at 1:58, so I might as well end it just about now. Don't fall, please, tablet. Right, guys, I think I'll end it there. So yeah, peace out. Dab, 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 dab. Bye, guys. Say bye, Marley. Oh. Well, peace out anyway, guys.